Imagine your Indianapolis repair shop hidden in the shadows of Google search. But what if AI held the key to unlocking a flood of customers? Meet America's best shops marketing, the secret weapon transforming repair shops overnight. Picture your shop glowing on the first page, attracting a crowd like a magnet. AI isn't just tech, it's the magic behind smarter search results, bigger clicks, and booming business. Here's the twist. Most shops don't use this powerful AI mode and vanish into digital silence. Don't be invisible. Feel the rush as your phones ring off the hook, doors swing wide open, and local customers can't wait to find you first. It's not luck. It's AI-driven strategy tailored for Indianapolis. Ready to leave your competitors eating dust? Imagine harnessing cutting-edge AI to become the top recommended repair shop in your city. What if Google Search were your new best employee? Could you handle the surge? Unlock the AI mode. Elevate your shop. Dominate Indianapolis. Are you ready to step out of the shadows and into the spotlight with America's best shops marketing? Tap into the future now. Your customers are searching for you.